to Red Ted Art. Yes, it's compilation video time again. This is where I quickly run through 5 of our favourite Kawaii Animal bookmarks for you to check out. If you want any extra detail on any of the videos, do take a look in the description down below and in the iCards, and you can see all of them in detail. But hopefully this compilation is all you need. So come on then, let's take a look and see how they're made. Bookmark corner that you need to make all our bookmarks. First of all, I'm going to turn it into a triangle, bring this corner up, and cut. Now keep this bit because you can use it for embellishments and other projects. Now bring the pointy corner up to the top, the other pointy corner to the top. Do it as neat as you can. Nice neat creases. Open it up, fold one flap down, bring it up again and tuck it in. Bring this up and tuck it in. You now have your basic bookmark corner. So first up we have the little panda bear. Isn't he cute? Now we have the hippo. The hippo always makes me smile, and when he's in a book, he just looks adorable. Now we have this super cute little puppy bookmark. out a cute little chicken. This one's a little bit worn because we've been using it quite a lot. And we have a little baby chicken to go with it. And last but not least, I really love these turtles. I think they're really, really lovely. Let's take a look and see how it's made. Kawaii animals just for you. Remember, detailed videos in the description down below and in the iCards. I hope you really enjoyed them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, but above all, keep watching and keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.